Good morning everyone. My name is Samiksha Vittal Gavande and today's my topic is hard work versus smart work. So we will discuss the topic hard work versus smart work as a differentiate. So let's the topic. Hard work. The definition of hard work. Hard work is refers to putting a lots of efforts, time, and energy to achieve something new or to achieve the goal. And in smart work, it refers to putting efficient efficacy, and faster period of time. And less period of time as compared to hard work to achieve the goal. In hard work, it involves the time, commitment, and lots of efforts. While in smart work, it involves the faster thinking ability and cleverness. So the next one is in hard work, it has only one way to achieve the goal, while in smart work it has multiple shortcuts and multiple way to achieve its goal. So in hardworking person has many physical and mental stresses, while in smart work it has less stress as compared to hard work. Hard working has does not involve the lots of planning, while in smart working study it involves the lots of planning and it give a strategic plan to the achieve the goal. So in hard work it gives a lots of stress, and hardworking person it gives good theoretical and practical knowledge of the skills, and to achieve or gain while it and lots of efforts to achieve the goal. While in smart working, it have innovative way and new thinkings to achieve the goal, something new. The smart working person has less theoretical and practical knowledge as compared to hardworking student. So the hard working and smart working is both in balanced condition matter. Hard working and smart working mostly depends on the time and consistency. Time is mostly matter, that is hard working. In hard work the time is fastest to achieve the goal, and in smart work the goal is achieved in fewer minute of times. And consistency is also matter in the hard work and smart work, that is the hard work is complete to get a goal with the dedication, concentration, and in smart work it's only depends on the thinking ability and its cleverness. So the hard work and smart works is give to get achievement. With the hard work, smart work is also important. For the achievement, the hard work and smart work is doing with the balance, that is to achieve the goal with smart work and doing some hard work. So the hardworking student have great ability to achieve the goal, and it have great good theoretical and practical knowledge and lots of experience to achieve something new. Smart working student has also a thinking ability more, but it has less practical and theoretical knowledge as compared to hardworking person. So the hardworking it only way to achieve the goal, that is the focus mind, dedication, concentration. It's is always important to achieve something new. And in smart work it's only depends on the thinking ability, cleverness, and the power of mental ability. So the hard work plus smart work it's give the achievement. Hence, the hard work and smart work is depends on the balance in both conditions. Thank you.